Okay, you're dealt two cards successively, meaning one after another, without replacement from a shuffled deck of 52 cards. Okay, so we have a standard deck of cards. You pull one card at random. You look at it. You put it aside. You take the remaining cards. You reshuffle them, and you pull a second card. Okay, so find the probability that the first card is a king and the second card is a queen. And we want to express our answer as a simplified fraction. Okay. So we have two events here. Event A comes first. The first card is a king. And event B, so the first card is a king. That's our first event. And the second card is a queen. That is our second event. Okay, so we're looking for the probability of a sequence of two things happening one after another. So this is, again, a situation for the multiplication rule. We're looking for the probability that A happens and then B happens. Probability of A and then B. And our multiplication rule says that's the probability of A times the probability of B happening given that A has already happened. All right, so in this case, the probability of A, the probability that you pull a card at random and it is a king. Well, there are 4 kings in the deck and there are 52 total cards. Okay, so there's the probability of A. Now, the probability of B, given that A has already happened. Well, since A has already happened, 1 card is gone. So there are 51 remaining cards. But that first card was a king, not a queen, so there's still 4 queens in the deck. So there are 4 queens out of 51 cards. And this is what conditional probability is. All it means is that when you're looking for the probability of a step-by-step sequence of events, you're using the multiplication rule. Conditional probability just says update your counting, update your numbers at each step in the sequence. So we updated the 52 to a 51, and that's that. Okay, so we want to, let's see, multiply 4 over 52 times 4 over 51, and we want to express your answer as a simplified fraction. Okay, let's come over here to the calculator. So we have the fraction 4 over 52 times the fraction 4 over 51. Okay, so we could, if you wanted a decimal, this is about 0.006, or if you wanted it as a percentage, multiply that by 100, and that's about 0.6%. But we want a simplified fraction, so let's come over here and use the calculator function to convert our answer to a fraction. And our simplified fraction will be 4 over 663. Okay, so the probability of A and then B is equal to 4 over 663.